Okay gang, 3-wire install Kubota SVL95 tracked skid loader. We're going to open the back of this up by pulling back on this handle. Got to put a little pressure on, push on the door. There we go. This opens up. There's a safety over here to make sure that this thing doesn't come swinging across and break you in half. These doors are heavy. That pin's going to go in. Perfect spot. There you go. Now we're safe. So we look at the back of the Kubota. There's no telematics plug in this, so we're not going to continue to look for it. I've already checked. I come over on the back right hand side. What have I got? Switches and relays and all kinds of goodies. We've metered this red and blue wire up here. It's constant 12. It's gonna be 12.5 with the machine cut off. This wire behind it here is giving me 12.5 with the key turned on. Self-tap of ground in the back. We've bundled our excess wiring up underneath, and we've used a bunch of zip ties to secure this all the way forward. And because this metal is so thin, we decided to go with just the usual longer self-tap screws. Device is mounted on top. Our light pattern is good. We've called this in as a 3-wire device. Install time about 15 minutes. Just take your time. Make sure everything is zip tied everywhere, which is like this is all bundled up nice and tight inside. Yeah, it moves a little bit, but it's not going to hurt anything. So everything is secured really well. Nothing is binding on any of my cables. Everything's fine all the way through. This device will last a long time as long as nobody messes with it.